Autonomy raised ethical concerns. Debates erupted over machines making life or death decisions. Section 4. Shifting sands. Adapting to the Sentinel's dominance. The arrival of the Sentinel sent shockwaves through the global military landscape. Nations around the world scrambled to adapt to this new reality, pouring resources into developing their own autonomous weapon systems or finding ways to counter the Sentinel's dominance on the battlefield.
Traditional military doctrines based on the deployment of large numbers of troops were rendered obsolete overnight. The Sentinel's speed, agility and firepower could decimate entire battalions before they even had a chance to react. Commanders realized that to survive in this new era of warfare, they needed to adopt entirely new strategies.
Emphasis shifted towards electronic warfare, cyber attacks, and the development of countermeasures specifically designed to disable or disrupt the Sentinel's AI systems. The battle for supremacy moved from the physical realm to the digital, as nations engaged in a high-stakes race to gain an edge in the realm of artificial intelligence and autonomous weapons.
The proliferation of such advanced technology also raised concerns about the potential for escalation and unintended consequences. The speed and autonomy of these new weapon systems increased the risk of accidental conflicts or miscalculations that could spiral out of control. The world held its breath, watching nervously as the balance of power shifted once again.
Section 5. The Future of Conflict, a Legacy of Innovation. The Sentinel's legacy extends far beyond its impact on military tactics and strategy. It represents a fundamental shift in the relationship between humanity and technology, particularly in the realm of warfare.
Its development ushered in an era of unprecedented technological innovation, forcing the world to confront the ethical and strategic implications of autonomous weapons systems.
The debate over the role of AI in warfare continues to rage, raising fundamental questions about the future of conflict. Some argue for strict regulations and international treaties to prevent an AI arms race, while others believe that embracing this technology is essential for national security.
Regardless of where one stands on this issue, there is no denying that the Sentinel has irrevocably altered the landscape of modern warfare. The genie is out of the bottle, and the future of conflict will be forever shaped by the advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence that it unleashed upon the world.